I built a scalper EA for gold, ran the test. $500 turned into $1 million in 1 month. Beautiful, but something felt wrong. This is the MT5 strategy tester. Mode, every tick. Watch the balance grow, smooth, confident. This is exactly what you see on marketplaces. This is exactly how sellers prove their EA works. Now I change only one thing, the testing mode. Every tick based on real ticks. Same EA, same settings, same period, running, same month, deposit gone. I did this on purpose. This EA was not built to sell. I built it to show you how this scheme works from the inside, because this is exactly what most scalpers you see on marketplaces look like. A beautiful backtest, and nothing on real ticks. What is the difference? Every tick mode generates synthetic ticks from M1 candles. The EA basically knows them in advance. That is not a real market. That is a simulation. Real ticks mode, that is honest data flow, just like a live account. And here, the EA cannot predict anything. I looked at E as being sold. Same picture everywhere. Always test yourself. Real ticks mode, minimum 6 months. Before you buy any scalper, run this test yourself. If the seller refuses to show real tick results for 6 months, you already have the answer. Save this video, send it to someone who is about to spend money on a scalper EA. It might save them a lot. Subscribe.